back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out on my WhatsApp right here, just like what you see right here. Exchange of RMB. Please, do you buy using 1688 link? I want you to help in purchasing the item from 1688. So this is my response right here as far as my terms of service is concerned. So if you want me to procure or make payment for you on Pinduoduo, 1688, Taobao, Shein, Alibaba or AliExpress, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, these are my terms of service right here. All you have to do is to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Just like what you see right here, these are the product link, and these are the screenshot of what exactly this person needs right here, and at the same time, and you can see everything right here, and this is their logistics warehouse address in China. So in this regard, we are going to go ahead now and place order for this particular product on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. I'm going to exit from my WhatsApp right here. I will go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. After open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, I have already had all the products to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to fill my cart. Just like so. So these are all the products right here. So this is the first link, second link, and the third link right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select the first link, select the second link, and then select the third link, all things selected. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so, you can see everything right here. Okay, so you can see everything right here. Next thing I need to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, and then go ahead and click on here to choose means of payment. I'm going to go ahead and choose Alipay right here. Having choose my Alipay, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout and payment. Allow the Alipay to connect. The next thing I'm going to do is to enter my payment password. Our payment done successful. Just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a screenshot. Just like so. Having made a screenshot of the proof of payment, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on here, and then simply click on here to close this pump up. And then I have to make sure I click on the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go to my profile. So I'm getting to my profile, refresh, and you see all the products I just paid for. It's going to be found right here. So let's check it out. It's that simple. You can see the product 1, 2, and 3. Lastly, I will go ahead and send proof of payment to the person that asked me to order the product on my WhatsApp right here. I will go ahead and click on the attach. Now go ahead and simply click on gallery, and then select the proof of payment and say purchase done and send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on either on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Hybridfish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you can go ahead and read all my terms of service right here. Consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.